Hi, Lee Phillips here. Want to talk to you about retirement plans for 2 seconds. The question is, one, do you put it in your living revocable trust? And the answer is no. You have to be the owner of your retirement account. It is your retirement account, nobody else's. So who's the beneficiary? After you die, what are we going to do with the retirement account? Well, commonly you're going to name your spouse as the primary beneficiary. The spouse can keep it in the retirement account. If you name your kids or your living trust, well, if you name your living revocable trust as the beneficiary, it has to be what's called a see-through trust. You have to be able to certainly see who the beneficiaries are and what's going on. Most living revocable trusts are. But name spouse, name kids. The kids have to take it out within 10 years after mom and dad, or after you die, after the beneficiary, after the owner of the IRA dies. So they have to take it out within 10 years. They can take it all out in the first year, which a lot of them do, or they can leave it in and it can grow. But the problem is, if it's a standard IRA or 401k or whatever it is, that triggers an income tax when they take it out. If they leave it in, all of it, up until the 10th year, they could have chokes me up, guys. They could have a big tax problem in the 10th year. So this is a tax planning issue for them. The living revocable trust has to take it out within the 10 years also, which means the beneficiaries of the living revocable trust are going to have to pay the taxes whenever it comes out of the IRA or the 401k or whatever it is. So who's the beneficiary of your IRA? It's up to you guys. But, by the way, if you don't have anybody, your favorite lawyer is always up for it, okay? You can put, it's Lee R. Phillips, okay? You can put that on as beneficiary. But you're going to name somebody specifically or your living revocable trust. Depending upon who you name, most of them have to take it out within the 10-year period. We used to stretch it until 2020. It came during Trump. I don't know why Trump's first term they took out our ability to stretch the IRA to carry it over the whole life of the individual who was named as beneficiary. That was a good deal. 10 years, better than nothing. So, spouse probably first, then either the kids' names or the trust. Probably the trust, because if I have a kid who's died and I haven't changed that name on the beneficiary list, then it's going to get caught in probate because we don't know what to do with it. The trust is going to be there, and it's going to take care of the situation where one of the kids dies. It'll go to their kids usually. It's per stir piece, as we call it. Anyway, think about your retirement. The retirement plans are really neat because they grow without the tax, and we can extend that for a little while when the beneficiary gets it, but not indefinitely now.